Well, good morning, everybody. Today is Monday, November 11th, 2024. Get rid of that. You're in the live trading room with Tim the Trader. Hope you all had a wonderful weekend and have come back here for this week of good trading. Here are trades from Friday. Did end up taking some additional trades on Friday and came out ahead. Had a nice week last week. We had our usual breakout right in the beginning and some good waves that happened for quite a while into the day. In fact, a lot of tradable moments most of the day, except for maybe the last hour, where it was just really kind of going back and forth in a very tight little range. So triple Q, closed Friday at 514.17. And let's see if we have a gap play this morning. Yeah, let me look here. So 514.91 was a high. 514, 515. Looks like we do have a gap play this morning. So the gap fill and trigger, let's just call that 514.91. Let me write that down. 514.91 will be our gap fill. If we get there. Go back up. Okay, let's head over to the option chain. And we've got 582,000 traded pre-market trading, which includes the weekend. We are trading tomorrow's expiration, so that's 12 November 24 on your Thinkorswim option chain or whatever option chain you're using. We'll start at or around the money at 515 on the call side, 516 on the put side. Let me let a few people in here. There we go. And with that, let's go ahead and say good morning to Mr. Keith. Good morning, Keith.
Morning, Tim. Good morning, everybody. I hope you all had a great weekend. And before I get started, for those of you who have served in the military, I tip my hat and thank you so much for your service to this country. So, being
Indeed.
Veterans Day today.
Thank you, Keith.
Okay. Actually, no announcements today. Zero. But I have a number of announcements this week and bond auctions various times this week, and starting to get the consumer price numbers on Wednesday, starting to get some producer price inflation numbers on Thursday. So a number of announcements coming this week. Retail sales on Friday, but today, no announcements today. Doesn't mean we won't get a pop at the top, but no announcements today.
No announcements today. Yes, indeed. And I want to just echo Keith and thank everyone who has served in the military. It's an honor having you in our room. Okay, thank you, Keith. I appreciate it. Just a reminder that we want to have 20 cents between each of our hash marks on the right side of each of our charts here. So we're always looking at the same size candles from day to day. That's good to have. We have less than a minute before we start. Markets are up this morning. Looks like we're going to start in positive territory this morning. Bond markets are closed today. But thank goodness options are open. Got a good crowd in today. We've got a number of visitors in today. I want to welcome folks who have come in. They're checking us out. We'll talk more about what we do here. Hopefully you caught the 9:15 video that we play that talks about what we do in the room. Sorry for the hiccup in the middle of that. Not sure what that was about, but
I must have bumped my computer when that happened.
That was it. It's Keith. Keith bumped his computer. Okay. Anyway, hopefully got it back on track. So here we go in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There's the bell. And we are in. Confirm your identity. Okay. Get rid of a few things there.
We have 9.2 930,000 underlying trades so far. So yeah, good start here.
Uh-huh. Indeed. Kind of slow moving on price. Let me get my volume chart set up properly here. There we go. Okay, moving down just a little bit. So on the put side, I will probably be at the 517, and the call side, the 514 on the call side. Six, 778. Okay. And looking at the broader markets, we've got Dow is up by 299, Nats is up by 66, S&P is up by almost 21. So positive market, but that is basically where we start. All right, so moving up here a little bit, but still very shallow range starting out this morning. Kind of typical for Monday. Price moving back down again. If you just came into the room, we don't have any trades yet. Trading in a pretty shallow range, getting maybe a little breakout here toward the bottom side, but immediately reversing. Just a reminder for those of you who are checking us out, when price is going up, we're looking for a call trade. When price is going down or a red candle, we're looking for a put trade. Our MACD Heikenasi has taken a nice big angle up, but our 5-minute MACD is still in the put position. But coming up to VWAP, trying to break through VWAP. Price stopped short. Well, poked through VWAP just a couple of cents. Coming back down, just the market maker trying to find the edges. So what we'd like to see price break through VWAP and go on up for a call trade, or break through this recent low and continue down for a put trade. Right now, we're pretty much in the middle. So we've got just 1,600,000 in on the underlying asset, and Dow is up 387 now. Nas is up 61. S&P is up 20. Dow is moving. Nas, not so much. We won't stay in this range, hopefully, for much longer. Get a trade in. Just waiting on the market maker to initiate a breakout. Get all the retail traders out of their seats and trading.
So it's gone down through the fill the gap area here.
Uh-huh. Let's see, 514.91. Yep, we have the gap fill and gap trigger. So going to the 516 on the put side, stand by. I'm going to go ahead and enter this. There we go. And filled at 584. Is that right? No, 284, excuse me. Yeah, managed to hit that right on a reversal.
Yeah, I did too. I got in at 283.
Tim, are you guys on a trade?
I'm in.
Is it a put trade?
It's a put trade, yes.
Okay. Just got it.
Okay.
All right, come on down.
Mm-hmm.
Let me try to get 20 cents on this if I can.
Mm-hmm. Which would, yeah.
And I think I got filled. Got filled.
And taking profit. And we
Got out
got
305, 284 to 305.
Okay.
Now it will go down.
Of course. All right, got 20 cents out of that. 284 to 304.
Look at that.
Yep.
Why me, Tim? Why me?
Well, because Ashim, we know that the market maker's looking at you.
I know.
Pretty sure they're watching our group.
Well, as slow as things were going, I have no qualms about getting out for a 20-cent gain there.
Yeah.
But I wish Ashim would have gotten out before me.
Anyway, it's a Monday, first good trade, 20 cents. Can't complain.
You betcha.
And price continuing to drop. Let me go back to the 515. Yeah, let me see. Markets are still up. What concerns me is the Dow is up quite a bit. It's up to 420 now. NASDAQ's finally gone negative to minus 21. S&P still up by 12. No, 11 and a half. think I'll wait for the reversal.
Yep. I did put a pseudo supply zone at the top of that first 5-minute candle.
Okay, let's do that. We can add our zones in, or a zone, a pseudo zone, as it were. This will be the supply zone right there. And right there. Edit, give it an extra day. We're going to turn this red color, more HSV. $60. Oh, yeah. Okay, so we have a pseudo supply zone. We're reversing now, so I'm going to head back over to the call side. Probably go to the 512 on the call side. 512. You can also do the 513 on the call side.
Which is what I'll look at. Well, if I'm not mistaken, Tim, that's the first time we've had a gap fill play in quite some time.
Yeah, yeah, it is. So MACD's getting kind of low here,
It really is.
but still selling off, it looks like.
Volume's starting to taper off though a bit.
Yeah. Let's see here. Wow, Randy got 245 to 338 on that trade. Way to hold on, man.
Wow. Got a doji there.
I think Randy has extra thick seat belts.
Either that or he forgot to put his clothes order in and then realized when everybody else getting out, oh, maybe I should. I've never done that before.
No, never. Rita got 26 cents on that trade. Way to go.
Thank you. Tim.
Certainly finding some support in this region here.
Mhm.
That doji really didn't come out to anything there for turning things around.
Mhm. This price decline slowing down quite a bit. Hopefully we'll see a turnaround here pretty quickly.
And MACD's trying to perfect it, just crossed over there on the Heikenase chart.
Mm-hmm.
And about 6 minutes to the pop at the top, if there's going to be a pop.
Price still declining, just very slowly now.
Well, getting down close to the low on Friday also.
Wow.
512.40. I'm going to wait till the pop before I try to enter something, even if this does turn.
Okay.
About 4 minutes. I haven't looked at the long-term charts. Oh boy, they're way down.
Yeah. Price starting to get into a little bit of a tight range here.
Yeah.
Possible demand zone forming. We get a little raise in price here.
What was the volume like on Friday, Tim?
Oh, it was pretty low.
Yeah.
Wasn't much. We only had one trade or in the morning session.
Yeah.
Dow's up 453 now. Nasdaq's down 38. S&P's sitting at 12. Wow.
Yeah. Huge difference between the Dow and the NASDAQ. Wow.
Yeah. Coming up on 2 minutes from the pop at the top, if we get one.
We actually got some rain here last night.
Yeah.
Haven't had rain in about 40 days.
Yeah. Yeah.
Well, we are still having rain.
Yeah. Had a little sprinkle this
Yeah.
morning here, but that's about it.
Yeah, we got maybe an inch of rain last night. So
Wow. Well, send some our way. We need it.
yeah. All right, 30 seconds to the pop. Still don't have a demand zone in here yet.
No. Here we go. And we're in the pop.
Wow, look at that take off.
Yep, not so much a pop, but a fizzle. Andrew got 28 cents on that put trade. Way to go, Andrew.
So he's up close to $1 today, isn't he?
That's Randy, I think.
Oh, Randy. Oh,
Yeah. But Andrew will get there. So we just have to be patient, folks. That's all. Wait for the inevitable turnaround to happen. And break out to the top side. And still do not have a demand zone. Wow. So what did we start at? We started at 515. I'll say 50. Down to 512.44.
right down at Friday's low.
Wow.
Yeah, I figured this thing had been bounced back by now.
Yeah.
Market makers must have something big planned, filling the warehouse.
Yeah, they've been doing it for a long time. Maybe they bought some new warehouses.
Yeah, could be. 4.8 million underlying traded so far.
Hmm. Yeah, not great volume. Okay, our Heikenasi MACD has crossed. Let's see if we can get this going here now. This call side. See if we've reached a bottom here on this put run. And I will be at the, I'm going to go to the 512 on the call side. But we're going to let this establish itself.
Still not huge volume on these.
Mhm. All right, stand by in this 512 on the call side.
I'm gonna go ahead and get in on this, try to get in on this.
All right. I'm going to go ahead and get into this trade, guys. And in, filled at 270. We also have a demand zone.
Got in at 273. Come on, get back up there.
Mhm. Put a demand zone in on the bottom here.
Come on, get back up there. There we go. Come on.
Looks like this might be a crazy Ivan.
Come on. Get back up there. It's not much volume on that last
No.
few candles. Come on, get up there. Now, turkey, come on, get up there.
Come on. That's what I'm talking about.
Come on, keep it going.
Just kind of stuck in a big messy middle right here.
Yeah. Ah, come on, get up there. $5.7 million underlying traded, so not very high.
Mm-mm.
Come on, up, up. Get out of this messy middle, up. Come on.
Six, 70, 43. Well, folks, we're having to wait a while on this one. We will get there.
There we go. Come on. Hmm. Come on, market maker. Take it on up. Here we go. Come on. Keep it moving.
It's got to break out of this little range.
Yeah. We got an order in to close it for 20 cents, although I would like to move it up closer to VWAP, but as much as this has been struggling with low volume, I'll take 20 cents on this.
Yeah.
Come on, you can do it. Get on up there. There we go. Come on, keep it going.
70 to 90.
It gets up above that last high about 10 after 10. It could go,
Mhm.
it could go more.
Mm-hmm.
Come on. Get on
Yeah,
up.
this should go all the way up to VWAP. We don't have
Yeah.
anything in the way.
Yeah.
So that is there.
Come on. Come on. Come on. There we go. There we go. Get it on up there. Come on. Get above there. Come on. Get on up there.
Just break above that high
Yep.
at 1012.
Yep.
Should be it. Should be enough to do it.
Come on. Come on. No, no red, green, 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 green. There we go.
we go.
Yeah, there we go. Come on. You can do it. Come on.
All right, it's 10:30. We're an hour into the session. We got 6,200,000 in on the underlying volume. Dow is up 389. Nas is just down 11. S&P's up 11. And
We go.
come on,
Spitting distance. Come on.
89.
Come on. Get on up there. Come on. Come on. No. You want to get up to V-Bar. Come on, get on. Come on. There we go. Come on.
And got it. Got 21.
Come on.
270 to 291.
Come on. Right there. Oh, come on, you turkey. I'm up with 2 cents from my price. Come on. Get on.
Just a little more there. There you go.
There we go. Got it. Got 22 cents, 273 to 295.
All right. And I got 21 on that. We had to wait a while on that one, but we got it.
That we did.
So 2 trades, up 41. Should go to VWAP and bounce off of VWAP here. There's VWAP.
Okay. All right. Okay. Okay, very good. Great. Thanks. Bye.
Let's see if this breaks through VWAP. May look at another call trade, but volume is awfully low.
That it is. That it is. So,
All right, breaking through VWAP. All right, so broader markets are all positive. Dow's up 381, Nas is up 17 now, S&P's up 15. Let's see something here. Price kind of finding a range right now.
Tim, why you don't enter a trade here? Is it because of the low volume or what?
It's low volume, yeah, but I am looking at the call side at the 513.
MACD's getting a little high again too.
Yeah,
Not enormously, but it's definitely high. I've had 3 trades up 62 cents today. I think I'm probably done trading.
okay. I've got 2 trades up 41. Don't want to give anything back.
Nope. I'll be right back, Tim.
Sure. Wow. Got a big reversal going on here. And go back to the 515 on the put side, 515. See if the broader markets are looking like. Yep, still positive all the way around. Dow Jones up 391, Nas up 8, S&P's up 14.
We did get some increasing volume a little bit on those last few candles.
Mm-hmm.
Still not enormous, but a little bit more.
Yeah, we can see that 1042 candle, nice length, almost up to 100,000. It's the best volume we've had in a long while.
I'm going to probably get off about 5 of 11 here this morning. The local town here supposedly is having some warthogs flying over at 11:11 that I'm see
Oh,
if I can see for Veterans Day.
okay. Those are always cool to see.
They are, yeah. I won't have time to drive down to it, but at least I think they have to pretty much go over my house to get there from the air base. So
Mm-hmm.
see if I can catch a glimpse of them.
Cool.
Made some good sawdust on Friday.
Did you?
Yeah, my friends, my friend along with his son-in-law went in and bought a bandsaw sawmill thing, and so I've never been up to see it. So we met him up there for breakfast, and then went up there and made some sawdust a little bit Friday morning.
Nice.
I've got a big cherry tree that fell here probably 5 years ago, and I don't know if it's still good or not, but he may bring his trailer up and try to drag it onto the trailer and take it to the sawmill and see if we can make some boards out of it.
Mm.
I've done some bowls out of the one end of it, but haven't done any boards on it out of it yet. Tim, do you have any more details on the live get together in January?
So our live get together is going to be the third week of January. Details and guest speakers to follow, but it will be in the third week, probably the Wednesday and Thursday of that week.
All right, thank you.
Yeah.
I look forward to that. Hopefully, a number of everybody can come. 'Cause
Yeah, I hope so.
it was
Thank you for
definitely
asking.
outstanding, the last one we had.
Yeah, that one was that was great and well attended. So price staying in a tight little range here. This may continue back up. I would look for it to break through VWAP again.
All the major indexes are positive. Dow's up 389, Nasdaq's up $6, and S&P's up $15. 7.5 million underlying traded of the Qs.
Okay. Come on up. Breakthrough. Actually, I'm going to move our supply zone to here at this price agreement.
That makes sense.
And let's add that in. 37, 27. Okay, we'll turn this red. Give it a day. Turn it red. More. HSV 60. Boom, boom. And change the price level to red. There we go. Finally.
All right, Tim, I think I'm gonna step aside here, but great morning, 3 trades and up 62 cents.
All right. Good job.
So particularly given as slow as the day was, that's outstanding.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
Absolutely. On a Monday, a day like this,
Yeah. Yeah.
that's great trading. So I will see you tomorrow,
Yes, sir. I'll be
buddy.
here. All right.
Take care. And we'll probably just stay on a couple of more minutes here. Let's see if this breaks through. Watch price bounce off the supply zone. Yep, bouncing off. Okay, guys, I think we're going to go ahead and just wrap it up for this morning. So it's good morning. I mean, for slow as it is, 2 trades up 41, 2 positive trades. I think that's a great morning. So that's it, guys. I'll leave charts up for a while, and we will see you all in the morning. Thank you for supporting the room. Hope you guys all have a wonderful day, and I will see you in the morning. Bye for now.